Ladies and gentlemen, teachers, parents, and friends, good morning. Today we're going to discuss about a product that we have made, a product that utilizes artificial intelligence to sort races. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. We're from Batato. My name is Nathan.
My name is Nando.
And my name is Jason.
First of all, we have the biblical integration. The theme of our biblical integration is saved here. We take the verse from Genesis 2, verse 15. It said, "The Lord God took the man and put him in the garden of Eden to work it and take care of it." So, from this verse, we learn to take care of the world, and by using our product, we could solve the problem.
One of the biggest problems we have in this world is the rising numbers of waste. And with a big pile of waste, people are getting more and more lazy to filter them. It takes time and energy. And eventually, this can cause climate change, such as global warming. Then also pollution that can happen everywhere in the world. Now both of these things will eventually lead to economic burdens.
Now, in this research, we have two main objectives. The first objective is to create a smart bin, a product that will utilize artificial intelligence to automatically sort waste into plastic bottle and paper. And the second objective is to find out or figure out the business potential of this product.
And now it's about the preliminary research. We have sent Google form to several people, and here's the results. The first is the types of waste. Most of them are throwing plastic waste in the trash bin, and then the behavior of the people, they often throw their trash in the compartment, and the business opportunity is pretty huge because 60% of the people wanted to buy our product.
So, let's talk about Mr. Bin. Mr. Bin is an automatic trash bin that sorts out waste. It is powered by AI intelligence system, and one of its benefits is that it is user and cost friendly, which is why it is a very good opportunity to make a business out of it.
From our research, we have found several research about similar products that we have made, and from the research that we have found, we are confident that this product could have a big potential in the business perspective.
Now, for the hardware of the product, there are two main parts, which is the head and the body. In the head of the body, it will consist of the main system, the main scanning compartment that will automatically recognize the waste and filter them into the compartments. Now, the body will consist of two different compartments, the plastic bottle compartment and also the paper waste, which waste that is scanned by the head will go to the body. Now, for the software, we have two different plans that we have come up. The first is the plan A and plan B. Now, why is it that we make these two plans? Is that in order to counter the limitations and challenges that we have found in plan A, we figured out that we will devise a plan B to back up our research. Now, in plan A, there is three main parts. The first is the C++. It is the programming language that we use in order to make all the functions of the circuits and Internet of Things modules to work. And we have the image classification. This is done by using the Python programming language in order to make the trained model that will recognize the picture into either plastic bottle or paper waste. Now, the data collection is done by taking a picture of several different types of plastic bottles and paper in different angles. After that, we will convert them into grayscale and also into linears, so so that they could be recognized by the computer. Now, in plan B, we have a similar programming language used, which is C++. It is used again to make all the electrical device work. And different from plan A, where we use ESP32CAM, we will be using a proximity sensors. And similarly, for the data collection, we will be finding out the data of paper and plastic bottle. But instead of taking a picture, we will be using different distance data that is collected by the 4 ultrasonic sensors.
Now all of the components that are used are calculated, so we can find out the budget that we need. So the total is 336,000 rupiah, which is our cost of making the product. Because of the budget, we are able to make the SWOT analysis. We can conclude that one of the strengths is that it is cost-friendly, user-friendly, and it is also low competitive in the market. For the weaknesses is that the product still has many limitations, which could hinder the sales of Mr. Bean. Next is the opportunities, which is there are few competitors because based on the literature review that we have researched on, there are not many sellers who make the same products as us, which is where it is easy for us to enter the market. Finally, we have threats. Threats are the things that can potentially hinder our sales and business. This could be caused by malfunction of the product and also supply chain challenges.
So, in conclusion, after a lot of research done, trials and errors, we have been able to successfully make Mr. Bin, a smart trash bin that utilizes artificial intelligence to sort out waste into paper and plastic bottle waste. However, we were not able to successfully use or devise plan A since we were hindered with a challenge, which is the fact that the ESP8216 is not able to connect to the Wi-Fi, which is really crucial in order to connect it to the trained model that will classify the pictures. In order to counter that, we proceed to devise a plan B, and using proximity sensors instead of ESP32CAM, we are able to make a working automatic filtering system which uses these proximity sensors.
And finally, thank you for listening Option Nation. We're from Pato. Bye bye.